Tower Isle, the birthplace of Jamaican luxury tourism, by Jamaica Homes, published on May 30th, 2025. A Visionary's Dream, the genesis of Tower Isle. In the late 1940s, Abraham Elias Issa, affectionately known as Abe, envisioned transforming Jamaica's tourism landscape. Born in Kingston in 1905 to a family of Middle Eastern descent, Abe was a trailblazer in Jamaican business, establishing the country's first modern department store and supermarket. His ventures laid the foundation for what would become a revolutionary shift in Caribbean hospitality. Responding to guests' desires at the Myrtle Bank Hotel in Kingston for a resort on Jamaica's north coast, Abe embarked on creating the Tower Isle Hotel. Designed by architect Bartholomew Viçens-Oliver, the hotel opened its doors in January 1949 after a year of dedicated construction. This marked the inception of Jamaica's first year-round resort, pioneering tourism on the then undeveloped North Coast. Tower Isle Hotel, The West Indian Review, August 11th. 1951 Tower Isle Hotel Guide to Jamaica. 1952 Sun Worshippers Crowd the Terrace. National Geographic Magazine, March 1954. Jamaica, Hub of the Caribbean, page 356. Tower Isle Hotel Guide to Jamaica. 1952 Tower Isle, The West Indian Review, December 5th, 1953. Tower Isle Hotel, Pleasure Island. 1955 Tower Isle Hotel, The West Indian Review. March 1956. One of Jamaica's newest and most magnificent luxury resorts. Tichenor Gloss No. G12 picture by Cleary and Elliott, Jamaica, made in USA. G83377, The Novelty Trading Co., 13116B, Dexter Press, West Nyack, D63. The Novelty Trading Co., 13115B, Dexter Press, West Nyack, D62. Tower Isle Hotel, Focus on Jamaica, November 1964. A celebrity haven. Tower Isle's golden era. Tower Isle quickly gained fame as a luxurious retreat for Hollywood's elite and international dignitaries. The resort hosted luminaries such as Walt Disney, Eva Gabor, Debbie Reynolds, Errol Flynn, Joe Louis, and playwright Noel Coward. Even Princess Margaret chose Tower Isle for her Jamaican sojourns. The hotel's allure lay in its blend of old-world charm and tropical elegance, setting a new standard for Caribbean resorts. In the mid-1960s, the hotel expanded westward and acquired the adjacent Island Inn, adding a second swimming pool and enhancing its amenities. By 1970, cottages were introduced on the front lawn, offering guests more private accommodations. Innovation in hospitality, the all-inclusive concept. Abe Issa's innovative spirit led him to revolutionize the hospitality industry further. In 1978, he introduced Jamaica as first all-inclusive, couples-only resort concept, transforming Tower Isle Hotel into Couples Ocho Rios. This model offered guests a comprehensive vacation experience, including accommodations, meals, beverages, and activities, all for one price. The concept not only enhanced guest satisfaction, but also set a precedent for resorts across the Caribbean. A legacy preserved, renovation, and rebranding. Recognizing the need to modernize while preserving its rich heritage, the resort underwent a significant $30 million renovation in 2008. The refurbishment included updating guest rooms, expanding dining options, and restoring original architectural features. Notable murals by American artist John Pike, dating back to 1949, were meticulously restored by students from the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts, reviving the hotel's historical artistry. Upon completion, the resort was rebranded as Couples Tower Isle, honoring its original name and continuing its tradition of luxury and romance. Continuing the tradition, Couples Resorts today. Today, Couples Tower Isle stands as a testament to Abe Issa's visionary leadership and commitment to excellence. The resort remains a premier destination for couples seeking an all-inclusive, romantic getaway. Under the stewardship of the Issa family, Couples Resorts has expanded to include 4 properties across Jamaica, each upholding the values of quality, authenticity, and exceptional service that Abe instilled. Tower Isle and its legacy. Frequently asked questions. 1. What is the origin of the Tower Isle Hotel? The Tower Isle Hotel was founded in 1949 by Abraham Abe Issa, a visionary Jamaican businessman. It was Jamaica's first year-round resort and the first hotel on the undeveloped North Coast, marking the beginning of modern tourism in the region. 2. Why was Tower Isle so significant in Jamaican tourism history? Tower Isle wasn't just a resort, it was a revolution. Its success proved that luxury tourism was viable in Jamaica, paving the way for the North Coast's transformation into a global destination. It also played a key role in establishing summer travel seasons, which didn't exist on the island before. 3. Which celebrities stayed at the Tower Isle Hotel? In its golden years, Tower Isle was frequented by international stars such as Walt Disney, Debbie Reynolds, Eva Gabor, Errol Flynn, Joe Louis, Noel Coward, even Princess Margaret of the United Kingdom visited the resort during her travels to Jamaica. 4. Who designed the original hotel? The Tower Isle Hotel was designed by Bartholomew Viçens-Oliver, an architect of Spanish descent, known for his elegant and functional tropical resort designs. 5. What major changes happened to the hotel over time? 1960s. The hotel expanded westward and acquired the neighboring Island Inn, which added a second pool. 1970s. Cottages were added on the lawn, offering more intimate accommodations. 1978. Abe Issa introduced Jamaica's first all-inclusive, couples-only concept, renaming the hotel Couples Ocho Rios. 2009. After a $22 million renovation, the resort was rebranded as Couples Tower Isle, blending its historic charm with modern luxury. 6. Where exactly is Tower Isle located? Tower Isle is a coastal area located just outside Ocho Rios in St. Mary Parish on Jamaica's north coast. It sits along the A3 highway, offering panoramic views of the Caribbean Sea and access to lush inland areas. 7. What is the surrounding area like? The area around Tower Isle is known for its serene beauty and local authenticity. While close to the popular tourist hub of Ocho Rios, Tower Isle offers a more relaxed, upscale ambiance. Nearby attractions include Prospect Estate and Great House White River Rafting, Harmony Hall Art Gallery, Reggae Beach, now Bamboo Beach Club. 8. Is the Tower Isle area still popular today? Yes, though quieter than Ocho Rios proper, Tower Isle remains a sought-after spot for boutique resorts and private villas. Its mix of natural charm and historic significance makes it appealing to both tourists and investors alike. Disclaimer: this article is for informational and historical purposes only. It is not affiliated with or endorsed by Couples Resorts or any of its subsidiaries. While every effort has been made to ensure the accuracy of information presented, readers are encouraged to conduct their own research or contact official sources for the most up-to-date details.